front of me is Motorola Moto G04, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access gestures. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher next to it to activate it. Following that, make sure that pull screen into reach is on, and then follow all of those instructions. So I have to swipe down from the bottom of my screen. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, I need to change mine real quick. You need to scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead. Then hit got it. Make sure that pull screen into reach is on, and to operate one-handed mode, use this little shortcut. You can go back by tapping on the shortcut again, by swiping up or clicking on this area. To disable one-handed mode, click on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!